born to strive, I'll always thrive. Rap is my morning drive. I record, we ignore the pride. Now I write songs, I perform them live. I've toured, flied across borders. I've crowd surfed on all sorts of dives. Downs think we're touching my Jordan 5s. Our name is buzzing like hornet hives. CHILL, you know how the name is spelled. Chill bump, we done made ourselves. A name without a dumb label's help. Microphones, we done made a melt. Turntables, 2 pounds of ash. My crew bout the craft, as long as bank hell. Got a new sound to blast. Pass the path to 2 pounds of fashion. Move out the path, cause you bound disaster. 2 styles of swag, your new album's trash. The blind lead the blind, and who's down the last? See, we bound to stay, and you bound to pass. And I know the name will live on the day my click on. I guess I am blessed like Drake and Big Sean. But clap the outright paint a sitcom, but they can pick on. When you wanna make a hit song and embrace the fame, create the shitstorm. We just wanna travel, break the get going. Paid to rap and if safety withdrawn. Live calmly, nothing fancy. We go then again, that's what the fancy. Fuck trends, you know we don't care. Up in this bitch, it ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah. Fuck what they say. We here to stay. Up in this bitch, it ain't going, ain't going, ain't. Up in this bitch, it ain't going, no, going, no. Up in this bitch, it ain't going, ain't going, ain't. Up in this bitch, it ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah. Fuck what they say. We here to stay. Up in this bitch, it ain't going, ain't going, ain't. Up in this bitch, it ain't going, no, going, no. Up in this bitch, it ain't going, ain't going, ain't. Up in this bitch, it ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah. Props to kids who caught my disc, who got my name on the top 5 list. Top of the line, you got my gist. We got rhymes to make it drop like fliss. Your squad sign, but they ain't hot like this. Y'all shining, but the plot might twist. I leave rappers in the spot like piss. Ain't a mean asshole that can block my fist. Peace to you fans who keep compiling these tracks like it's some unique about. This feeling every time we release these albums. Guaranteed there won't be nothing weak about them. Beat after beat, keep your speakers pounding. Theme after theme, we leave people wildin'. Being like a beast, we be styling. We the foulest team since Zeke and shouting. And we all about quality over quantity. That's what we stand for, we grow it constantly. No pressure, it ain't no anomaly. Fuck a fake fun, that's what no one wants for me. Fuck fame and your fake ass fantasy. We go then again, that's what the fans can see. Fuck trends, you know we don't care. We up in this bitch and ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah. Fuck what they say. We here to stay. Up in this bitch and ain't going, ain't going, ain't. Up in this bitch and ain't going, no, going, no. Up in this bitch and ain't going, ain't going, ain't. Up in this bitch and ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah.